Okay, okay, welcome back. This is lesson 66, heading right into the course. We have comparison with the greater than or equal to operator. Okay, so yeah, okay. So this is similar to greater than operator, but then we add or equal to. So just heading right into the examples, we see that 6 is greater than or equal to 6. If this were just a greater than, it's going to evaluate to false because 6 is not greater than 6. So whether this is going to evaluate to true, whether 6 is greater than the number here or 6 is equal to the number here, okay? And then we have the same thing here. 7 greater than or equal to 3 is true because 7 is greater than 3. And 2 greater than or equal to 3 is false because 2 is neither greater than or equal to 3. And this is also false because 7 is neither greater than or equal to 9. Right? So it says add the greater than or equal to operator to the indicated line so that the return statement makes sense. So we have 20 or over. We're going to have greater than or equal to 20. And then this is going to be greater than or equal to 10. And there we go. Let's go ahead and as usual, test, test, test. All right. You know, this testing issue is so serious that when you're in a professional environment, there's something that is called code reviews. Even after a software engineer is done writing a code, he has to push it so that other software engineers can review his code. So there are multiple reviews just to make sure that no error no error is found and every bug is squashed. All right, so it's so important that you test your code, especially even if you're not working in a professional environment. You of course you want your code to work, even if it's just you that is doing it and looking at it. All right, so we have 10 or over because this is 10. All right, so yeah. So what happens here? Let me just give a rundown of what happens here. So once you call this function with the argument 10, okay, so that means val is 10. So it comes and checks, okay, if 10 is greater than or equal to 20, this is false, okay, because 10 is neither greater than or equal to 20. So it skips this section, it skips this curly braces, all right, it skips the codes inside here, and then it goes on to the next one and checks, okay, if value which is 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, this is true because 10 is equal to 10, all right? So it goes ahead and executes this statement, which is basically like a return statement. And I've told you that once your code gets to return statement, it executes it and then exits the function. So once it does this, it leaves the function. It doesn't go ahead to do this one again. It just leaves the whole function. And then what you have, what this function returns is 10 or over. So and that is what we console.log. Console.log simply print whatever you have in this bracket. It prints it to your log or to your console, whatever it's called. Yeah. So I hope that's quite understood. Let's run our test and yeah. Okay, whatever this means. Moon prism power. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let your friends know about what's going on here if you're truly learning something. Okay, see you in the next lesson.